Honda Goldwing Tour Automatic DCT, $29,700. We boast the Goldwing, and its near 2-liter engine is the gold standard for two-wheel touring in terms of lazy highway cruising and racking up the miles. Its 1,833cc flat 6 and electronically adjustable double wishbone suspension are just two of its key features that help it provide an extremely stable and smooth ride. Shifting duties on the Tour Automatic DCT are left to Honda's twin-clutch transmission, but all versions share a 7-inch color TFT display, 4 riding modes, twin disc brakes with ABS, a 5.5-gallon tank, ample rider and passenger protection, and loads of storage capacity. BMW K1600 GTL, $27,295. For good reason, BMW's flagship K1600 GTL made our pick of the 10 best. Its engine was an inline 6-cylinder displacing 1,649 cc and churning out 133 lb-ft of torque and 160 horsepower. Surprise, surprise! This big K also boasts a big 10.25-inch TFT color display with integrated navigation, electrically adjustable suspension, and an adjustable windshield. For among others, the engine brake control, dynamic traction control, and adaptive headlamps, input comes from a 6-axis IMU. Added comfort for the rider comes via the K's large top case that provides a cushioned backrest, and coupled with the 29.9 gallons of combined storage space, a 7-gallon tank, ABS, heated grips and seat. Harley-Davidson Road Glide Limited, $32,499. While HD's Grand American Touring line has several motorcycles, the Road Glide Limited is a great bike for those long-distance, two-way rides because of its strong Milwaukee 8114 engine, frame-mounted fairing, and comfortable seating. The 1,114cc powerplant produces 108 lb-ft and 76.3 horsepower. Your passenger gets an armrest and some speakers to help overcome rear seat gripes, while decent ride quality, heated grips, cruise control, and a 6-gallon fuel tank will get you where you need to go in comfort. Fantastic paintwork and bespoke fairings join forces to make a stylish, well-balanced V-Twin tour bike. Indian Challenger, $26,499. If you still want mile-devouring capability but without the hassle or weight of a full-on touring machine, the Indian Challenger bagger could be just what the doctor ordered. With performance from the 1,768cc Power Plus motor, coupled with its lockable saddlebags offering 18-gallon storage, the 43mm inverted forks, and frame-mounted fairings, this bike brings muscle car style to the table with equal amounts of performance. Those long journeys will no longer be a chore. Along with the cruise control, ABS, LED lighting, and electrically adjustable windshield, the bike also gets a 7-inch touchscreen featuring ride command with Bluetooth and navigation. The Pursuit model is essentially a full-fat Challenger but with a top loader and the feel of an Indian V-Twin. Suzuki V-Strom 800DE Adventure, $13,049. Speaking of value propositions in the road sector, one can't help but bring up Suzuki's latest middleweight adventure bike. The V-Strom 800DE, the newest iteration of the venerable V-Strom, doesn't have a high ZUD IMU or a 200 horsepower rating but does come with fully adjustable front and rear suspension, switchable ABS, ride-by-wire technology, and quick-release aluminum hard bags as standard. The 800DE Adventure, for under $14,000, comes with a safety bar, skid plate, handguards, and pretty much everything you need to venture into the wilderness, so you really don't need to spend 20 big ones on an adventure bike that is ready to ride. BMW R1300 GS, $18,895. It's impossible to discuss adventure motorcycles without mentioning the BMW GS, named in class founder of ADV. For 2024, its latest edition is little short of an all-new version of Germany's most famous globe-spanning creation, featuring an all-new frame, better suspension, lighter weight, more power and radar. Displacing 1.3 liters, the Boxer features shift cam technology producing 145 horsepower and 113 lb-ft. It has loads of torque, promising to be quick both on rough dirt tracks and the interstate, but even better is the way it combines superb handling with ergonomic comfort all day and attractive balance. An impressive 6.5-inch TFT display shows off an extensive suite of electronics that includes 4 riding modes, active cruise control, collision warning, and more. Shame about the luggage, but the 2018 GS appears bound and determined to take back the top step of the ADV podium. See the Meteor GS Adventure for more of the same. KTM 1290 Super Adventure S, $20,999. Undeniably, the KTM 1290 Super Adventure S is a force to be reckoned with. It's got class-leading tech to help you cruise down the highway, including semi-active suspension and adaptive cruise control, but it's also readily capable on dirt roads. The only thing you'd need to change is the tires. The outstanding ergonomics, likely with a nod toward the rider, pays dividends on long-distance rides. The angle-adjustable 6.5-inch TFT display keeps you informed on all the IMU-enabled tech that comes standard, including lean angle-sensitive ABS, adaptive cruise control and traction control, on and off-road. Yamaha Tracer 9 GT Plus, $16,499. Anybody old enough to vote can tell you how much the sport touring class has changed over the last 10 years, and the Tracer 9 GT Plus is exhibit A in that discussion. Yamaha's middleweight sport tourer personifies many of the latest trends for the class, with its inline-3 engine, upright seating and neutral ergonomics to make it more ADV-like, a full suite of electronic aids, including adaptive cruise control and semi-active suspension via a 6-axis IMU, all wrapped up in a lightweight and agile package. Yes, Virginia, that touring hard case is included, along with heated grips and cornering lights. The more aero Tracer 9 GT Plus will carve both corners and kilometers with its aggressive functionality. Kawasaki Ninja H2 SXSE, $28,000. Although the Kawasaki Ninja H2 SXSE describes itself as a sport tourer, its true focus is raw power. Even though the side bags are an option, the headliner is the 998cc inline-4 supercharged engine with 166.1 horses. In addition, the sub-600-pound H2 features a passenger seat, so that you may share pulling G's on curves with your equally adrenaline-seeking friend. Coupled with 4 rider modes, traction controls, electronically controlled and adjustable suspension, advanced rider assistance systems ARAs with multiple radars, adaptive cruise controls, forward collision warning, along with blind spot detection, that you also get some of the most cutting-edge rider technology available on a motorcycle today. If you are one of those who likes to travel at a rapid pace, the H2 may be your best bet. Ducati Multistrada V4 S Grand Tour, $28,395. Since its 2003 debut, The Ducati Multistrada set the bar in place for upright sporty touring bikes. This V4 carries that torch and keeps raising the stakes. For 2024, the all-new Multistrada Grand Tour will finally see the light of day. It boasts an incredibly long spec list with items like blind spot recognition, adaptive cruise control, seat height lowering, and thankfully, a 60-liter side tub as standard. Of course, the package includes a robust 1,158cc engine producing 170 horsepower and 92 lb-ft of torque, comfortable ergonomics, and all of the usual technologies we're accustomed to: traction control, multiple riding modes, and semi-active suspension, all of which are handily available on the 6.5-inch TFT displays. Is this the best multi for touring? Quite possibly.